All right, so this is another video just recapping what's going on. So I'm going to undo these here, okay, on both sides. There's a ground wire that I didn't see from before's video that attaches to here, okay? That's obviously attached to the chassis. So this is coming out. I'm getting these. I think I'm going to unscrew them and just push them as a whole unit. Maybe not. I can't do that because of those. It's just like a complicated jigsaw puzzle all the way around. Look at that. Look how shit that is. Regardless, these have to come out. That's how I'm looking at it. So that way it's all nice and clean. I'm taking the converter out now because I'm going to undo that. But I'm having a tough time pushing these batteries out, to be honest. They're just not. They're not easy to push out because the Duracell. I mean the Delco ones are a little taller than the pieces of shit that are in there before. So I got the best batteries I could, aside from Optimas. Which, by the way, I have found with all of my cars, the yellow top Optimas, they may be better than the reds, but they're basically a shit suck-ass battery. So I would rather go with this, and that's why I did. I went with the best of the best. So there we are. This is coming out, and I'm undoing that ground wire. And then we've got ourselves a whole cleanup to do here. And we're going to push these out. And then I'll reseal them later. See how they're sealed? Just for water. I'm just going to undo all the screws on the outside. And then, jeez. What a bummer, you know? What a fucking nightmare. Really. Realistically, I need to have a row of batteries here. You know, I just have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them sideways. And that's what really should happen. And do away with this altogether. And that way the batteries are accessible from a lid that opens up and you can look in and see the batteries and take them in and out from here. That's really the way I need to do this. And then as far as these doors are concerned, just have them as little cubby holes for, which I could easily do. I could just, cut them here and put, make them as storage for whatever. Okay, the crusade continues.